turkey. Welcome to our turkey kitchen cooking party. Hockey. Welcome to our turkey kitchen cooking party. Today we're going to learn about fruit and vegetable names together. Are you excited? Alright, kids, let's start with the fruit. Are you excited? Here are some easy ones for you. Whoa. Here are some easy ones for you. Whoa. Apple, that's an apple. Apple, that's an apple. Apple, that's an apple. Apple, that's an apple. Two, banana, that's a banana. Two, banana, that's a banana. Three, orange, that's an orange. Three, orange, that's an orange. Four, pineapple, that's a pineapple. Four, pineapple, that's a pineapple. Five, mango, that's a mango. Five, mango, that's a mango. Six, kiwi, that's a kiwi. Six, kiwi, that's a kiwi. Seven, strawberry, that's a strawberry. Seven, strawberry, that's a strawberry. Eight, blueberry, that's a blueberry. Eight, blueberry, that's a blueberry. Nine, peach, that's a peach. Nine, peach, that's a peach. 10, plum, that's a plum. 10, plum, that's a plum. And our apples are never cheese. 11, and our apples are never cheese. 11, carrot, that's a carrot. Carrot, that's a carrot. Carrot, that's a carrot. Carrot, that's a carrot. 12, broccoli, that's a broccoli. 12, broccoli, that's a broccoli. 30, potato, that's a potato. 30, potato, that's a potato. 40, tomato, that's a tomato. 41, tomato, that's a tomato. 42, tomato, that's a tomato. 43, tomato, that's a tomato. 44, tomato, that's a tomato. 45, tomato, that's a tomato. 46, tomato, that's a tomato. 47, tomato, that's a tomato. 48, tomato, that's a tomato. 49, tomato, that's a tomato. 50, tomato, that's a tomato. 51, tomato, that's a tomato. 52, tomato, that's a tomato. 53, tomato, that's a tomato. 54, tomato, that's a tomato. 55, tomato, that's a tomato. 56, tomato, that's a tomato. 57, tomato, that's a tomato. 58, tomato, that's a tomato. 59, tomato, that's a tomato. 60, tomato, that's a tomato. 61, tomato, that's a tomato. 62, tomato, that's a tomato. 63, tomato, that's a tomato. 64, tomato, that's a tomato. 65, tomato, that's a tomato. 66, tomato, that's a tomato. 67, tomato, that's a tomato. 68, tomato, that's a tomato. 69, Tomato, that's a tomato. 40, tomato, that's a tomato. 50, Spinach, down, spinach, spinach, that's spinach. 70, cucumber, that's a cucumber. 70, cucumber, that's a cucumber. 80, parsnip, that's a parsnip. 80, parsnip, that's a parsnip. 90, avocado, that's an avocado. 90, avocado, that's an avocado. 20, Brussels sprout, that's a Brussels sprout. 20, Brussels sprout, that's a Brussels sprout. How about some others, like the Asriel? No. 20, green bell pepper, that's a green bell pepper. 22, Swiss chard, that's a Swiss chard. 22, Swiss chard, that's a Swiss chard. 23, cauliflower, that's a cauliflower. 23, cauliflower, that's a cauliflower. 24, avocado, that's an avocado. 24, avocado, that's an avocado. 25, sweet potato, that's a sweet potato. 25, sweet potato, that's a sweet potato. Alright, that's it for today's lesson. Alright, that's it for today's lesson. We hope you learned some new food and vegetables names. We hope you learned some new food and vegetable names. We hope you learned some new fruit and vegetable names. We hope you learned some new fruit and vegetable names. Now it's your turn to practice what you learned with your parents or caregivers. Now it's your turn to practice what you learned with your friends or caregivers. Enjoy playing with your new toys and having fun at our Tokyo John cooking party. Enjoy playing with your new toys and having fun.